Sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Khoi Chung. I'm from KBU International, and I'm an international recruitment coordinator for Southeast Asia at the university. KBU is the only polytechnic university in Canada, and that means that we have applied learning, and our programs are practical. We offer 100 programs in total, and we have almost 60 programs eligible for PGWP if you're interested in working and staying in Canada after your graduation. So KBU offers several benefits for students, especially from Thailand. We have small class sizes, so that means every class has 35 students. Our teachers are very supportive of the students, and we have a supportive environment from KBU International, so we are a one-stop shop for you, from recruitment to admission to advising and everything else in between. And you can also contact Pacific Premier if you have any further inquiries about how to apply to KBU.